Yawan Chikabam Yang Plang Festival Kaban Long Haka Atpusan Risau Ha Sau Man Lynti Shoban Poi Tresan Balapenya Daga Senjuk Mauplang
Ri Lum Jaiñtia kadiga riewspah hakimar poh-khyndew kumu dowyong kum motion nalor Kyrwoh pat baga jingdan kalintiral kan pensuk susu ia kakam khaïi pateng laong UMLA karaliang uba coming one ambon beriru menteri wakmi ia katanat food and civil supplies jonga sarkar jilla haba kren sikilat patai kubor hakono paisi jonga arpau tere urisau arja apply uba coming one ulaong baga jingwan ra ia kalintiral Ri Lum Jaiñtia kan penduna ia kajing lot hakaliang kakiat kaba nalor Kyrwoh pat kijing mentoy Kani kajing keran ubah coming one kalau one ru hapadeng kajing persya kikun hon seng balang ya kajing temu ban one ra lintirel klem kajing ya da ya kajing one rum kertlap kibrio nashabar jella.
From my side, I welcome the railway. I have seen the state, the country they have the railway. The people they get a lot of benefit from it. Suppose last time I went to Kyrwoh Hills to hoisting the flag on the Independence Day. After hoisting the flag, I went to the railway station in Meghalaya. I have seen the people of that area, they get a lot of profit. Because to travel from Meghalaya to Kyrwoh, taxi driver they used to ask 280 per head. The train only 30 rupees. They start from Meghalaya from Riewspah 7 o'clock, they will turn back 7 o'clock in the evening. Small farmer, they carry maybe one basket, two basket of fruit, any production from there, they can sell to the Kyrwoh. Get a lot of profit from it. Even in the essential commodities also. Suppose rice in Riewspah, we get 30 rupees that time. I inquired that time. In the month of August, I inquired from the shop, what is the price of this? Rice in Riewspah is 31 rupees. Here in Shillong is 44 rupees. That much is the difference.
So you think this will turn out to be beneficial?
If the railways come to Jaiñtia Hills, I think lot of people, they will get a job, maybe indirectly, transportation, we have so many resources in Jaiñtia Hills, like limestone, like coal, no? The transport by truck is almost 2,000 per ton. I think if the transport by railway maybe 500 per ton, that 1,500 will come to your pocket. No? That I cannot see. They have the different agenda. No? Means NGOs also they look for the welfare of the state. These common people they look the welfare for them. That I cannot comment regarding that.
But how do you plan to convince these NGOs? Because like for 5-6 years, I don't think there has been any talks with NGOs to convince them, to explain to them the positive side of railways.
That will decide the government. For me alone, I cannot say regarding that. You see, the government already sent a proposal to the government of India regarding that. We passed the resolution in the House. We already passed the resolution in the House. The central government now, the ball with the central government, let the central government approve that.
Congress. Kyrwoh, we have a check up and
I not say Atiar.
yeah,
Ila banit la syam tayuru. Sele you dan Islam
kendian. Khaïi, tak ada kolong kepekong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau ke badan kamban letas ya ke kemishwa bandap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV haka ba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em ka bakai ka bakya bat imslam dor jong kapor
HIV control.
patas HIV ya lade haka bor ba phile check up ning bang haba armet